Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial by Shana's Home DIY&Crafts. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to apply printable transfer to a t-shirt. So here I go, I have my t-shirt here. I'm just going to prep the t-shirt. I'm going to start by using a lint roller. Once I get it all leveled out on my table as how I want it to be, to make sure there is no lint on my shirt. Okay, I don't want any lint to press underneath my transfer, so that's why I'm doing so. Once I was done lint rolling the shirt, I went ahead and I used my Cricut Easy Press to take all the moisture out of the shirt. Now guys, the reason why I'm doing this, if you want your transfer to be applied to your t-shirt and last long, you got to make sure you get all that moisture out. Moisture is not friends with HTV vinyl, okay? Or printable transfer, whichever it is. Even if you're sublimating, you want to make sure you get all the moisture out of your shirt. So here we go. Once I was done doing so, I went ahead and I'm going to use my adult ruler and I'm going to be measuring, making sure that's centered on my shirt. If you do not have this type of ruler, you could go ahead and you could measure 4 inches down from the neckline of your shirt to know where to place your vinyl. You could also just use like 4 of your fingers. I've seen people do that also, use 4 of their fingers and center that. Or you could fold your shirt to find the center. It's up to you. There's different way of doing it. This is how I do it. So here we go. Here I have my HTV vinyl and I am just lining that up. And this, I'm telling you, the ruler makes it so much easier because you can see that, you know, the measurement on both sides. So I'm just lining that up and I'm trying to make sure, if you guys really notice or paying attention, to make sure there's 5 on one side, 5 on the other side, a total of 10 inches this transfer is wide. Okay, so that's all I'm doing. If it's your first time here, welcome. I hope you consider joining my YouTube family. You do so by hitting that red subscribe button. If it's not your first time here, welcome back. And thank you guys so much for your continuous love and support. Couldn't have done it without you guys. I am obsessed with my tape measuring, or my measuring tape, whatever they call this, measuring tape, tape measuring. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going and measuring to make sure it's center. Yes guys, it's center. We could already see that on the ruler, but if you don't have these ruler, you could use a tape measurement. Whatever this is, tape measurement, yeah, I think it's tape measurement. You could use that and measure to make sure you have the same numbers on opposite side of the transfer, so you know, okay, it's center. So here we go, I have my printable transfer. I'm using the print and cut, I forgot the name, but I'm going to be having it in the description box below. I purchased that on Amazon, and you have it for color print and for white print. So this is the colored print. If you're using colored shirt, we'll use this print. So here goes my image. I lined that up, and all I'm doing here is just trying to make sure that my image will fit really nicely and centered in between my HTV vinyl. So that's why I put my image there. And we have these lined up, and once I get that lined up and it's okay, I'm gonna go ahead again. I'm gonna take my tape measurement and I'm gonna measure to make sure I have the same length on both sides. Once I was okay and I have the same length on each side, I went ahead and I used my Cricut Easy Press, and I'm gonna press these at 350 degrees 10 seconds. I should have pressed it 15 seconds, but because I'm going to be running the iron over this multiple times, I do not want to burn my vinyl, so I'm going to do 10 seconds. Okay, all right. Once I was done pressing the HTV vinyl, I went ahead and I placed the printable vinyl in between those. Now we're gonna press this print and cut. This print and cut at 3 to 5 seconds as recommended. What the instruction given on the package. Sorry there. So here we go. I'm making sure everything is lined up. I put my image in line. Then I went ahead and I'm gonna use a piece of butcher paper. Guys, don't mind that tag in the back. You know what? We don't waste anything. That's the piece of tag. I can't get it off. So we're gonna cover that up with butcher paper, as the instructions say. Cover up with butcher paper. Then I'm gonna put my Teflon sheet over, because yes, I'm obsessed with it. Practice become perfect. I always use it. Okay, because I don't want to mistakenly not put my parchment paper. My Teflon sheet. Then I will burn my vinyl. So I practice to do that all the time. So there we go. We're only pressure for 3 to 5 seconds, and once I was done doing that, we're just gonna move that up. There's nothing to peel off because that's how the vinyl is. That's how the printable is. It's just like that. That's why we have to put butcher paper or Teflon sheet. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna peel off those carrier sheet for the HTV vinyl. and that's it. Then we're all done. That's how easy and simple it is. But now in Shayna, I have to go back, and I'm just obsessed with this iron. I don't know, just me. I just like whenever to make sure it's fine. I don't know, you don't have to do this. I'm gonna lint roll again. This is the OCD in me. I'm lint rolling again, and then once I'm done lint rolling, I'm gonna go ahead and put my Teflon sheet. I'm just gonna rub my iron over it just for another 3 seconds. It's up to you. You don't have to do that part. I like to do this part because I don't want my transfer to come off. It's not gonna come off because I follow the instruction, but it's just Shayna, okay? So that's about it. So yeah, that's how easy it is to do print and cut. Again, guys, if you enjoy these type of video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell. Also, make sure you share this video with your friends and family. This way they won't miss out. Yes, guys, let's get social. Go ahead and follow me over on my social media. All the link to my social media page will be in the description box below. If you made it this far through the video, I'm assuming you like what you see. So go ahead and show me some love on the other videos that are going to pop up right after this video, okay? Thank you, guys. Now remember, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed.